So I came across the news of Peller, the TikToker, crying out for help after the Lagos state government slammed him with a 36 million naira tax bill. In his defense, he said he doesn't own a company and thought only companies pay tax. He also added that he had no job, only makes money online through TikTok. But all these assumptions are wrong because according to tax law, if you earn, you must pay. Now, the key lesson from this Peller situation is that ignorance is not an excuse. The law doesn't really care if you understand tax rules. And let me also say this, that come 2026, Nigeria will use a progressive tax system, which means the more you earn, the higher the tax you pay. Let me further break this down. For individuals, which is personal income tax, PIT, if you earn between 0 to 800,000 naira per annum, you are paying zero tax. And if you earn between 800,001 naira to 3,080,000 naira, you pay 15% tax. From 3,080,001 naira to 12,320,000 naira, you're paying 18% tax. 12,320,001 naira to 24,640,000 naira will be paying 21% tax. And from 24,640,001 naira to 49,280,000 naira pays 23% tax. Above 49,280,000 naira will pay 25% tax. For example, if you earn 50 million naira, you must pay 12.5 million naira in tax. And tax for companies, which is corporate income tax, if your company earns less than 50 million naira yearly, there is no tax. But if your company earns above 50 million naira, you are paying 25% tax. So if you earn money as a content creator, an influencer, small business owner, or a freelancer, you need to structure your business. Note that structuring comes in two ways, either as a business name or as a limited liability company. Registering your business as a business name is the same thing as being a sole proprietor, which means you and your business are the same. All your income as a sole proprietor is taxed as personal, while with limited liability company, you and your business are separate. The company pays tax, not you directly. However, limited liability has a lot of advantage over sole proprietorship. You can deduct expenses such as equipment, salaries, rents, marketing. You deduct all this before tax is calculated. So how do you avoid making the same mistake Peller made? Number one, register your hustle as a company, preferably as a limited, not business name. Two, open a corporate account. Stop using your personal account for businesses. Number three, pay yourself salary. Don't dip company funds for personal spending. 4, document all your income and expenses. Keep your receipts. And finally, separate your personal money from business money. I have created a checklist to guide you on this process. Comment the word tax and I'll send you the checklist.
Now because of this way I go talk for that TVC, say me I dey make so money on TikTok. I don't make now packaging.
Now packaging, you go pay for the help.
I beg that.
I dey work for the which one be I beg? Which concern? I beg. But you go fit plead, but you must pay your tax. Because if you dey make money for the country, you supposed.
I know they make money for the country. I know they make money. I swear I know they make money. I dey make money for social media, not for the country. No, besides they work. I don't get. I don't say na person get company. Me I don't get company.
So no be my company.
When you are in your hair, when you are in my age, are you paying tax? Yes.
No.
But why do you not pay tax in my age?
I was not working.
You are not working. Did you think I'm working?
You are working.
Is this work I'm doing?
Yes, true, man.
Yes, my life. Yes, I don't get anything.
I don't think you go tell me that. You go.
Oh my God, I don't see if they remove 10 million away from our account. I go dead by hanging. I swear. I'm telling you, Fato. Before I see 1 million, and I mean no way trying to do. You go remove 30 million from which account? Which account? Where I want right now?
They know it's in the do.
They don't know what they do.
They know. They check out. Yes, now the first time when they send me letter, they send me letter with deadline. So.
Deadline say they go kill you. Deadline. What is deadline?
That's his deadline. They say you must pay this month. They say see you must pay, and you must pay before so day.
Why?
If you no pay for that day, they will carry you.
If they carry where they take me go.
Okay. They carry you.
Mi ò jalè náà. Mi ò ká sọ ìtọ́rọ̀ kí ni mo ṣe.
You no pay tax.
Kids, they no pay tax.
You guys dey see am like normal people.
So as they give street boys money.
Your babe too, they go soon send am later.
Make dem no try am. Na that one I fit vex.
They go send am say better make when you dey go, make you just follow you down. Make sure una just go sort.
No. Why they go dey send small pikin stars? Well, job hour maybe on social media more. I don't do social media again. I don't go do social media again.
What they do?
I pay more no longer kill me. I don't know now. I don't know how much person they make. I don't they make anything. Well, anybody wey to see. Task Force Nigeria Limited. Now they don't say Oya Peller come and pay tax. Guys, they want to collect tax for my hand. I swear to Almighty God. No, how much person don't get? If person go dey pay tax like this. That Nigeria Limited, I beg, make I be on advertisement. Make I dey do advertisements for una. Make I dey collect tax for my hand, you. I beg you. Me I just dey grow new. I guess a lot of family where they give money. I beg, and person they help a little people too. Make person come see the no. I beg you. Hey, damn me, oh. The tax won't be much. Who that say the tax will not go be much? I swear so much God do. My manager tell me say they talk say make I come pay tax for 18 million naira. 18 million. Tax. Kilo de. Ọlọ́run. Like no more say pa. I know TVC. Maybe now we see I go talk for TVC. TVC the other time. Where I thought say I dey make so amount on TikTok. TVC now you know on no less we talk finish. That is the console fancy. TVC no allow me to talk finish. TVC he say time to go. That can do everything. No, like me now, guys. I swear so much God do. 36 million. Guys, they say the tax now 36 million.
It's serious, a very big matter, you know. So you go straight to jail. So let him. I know he has gone online to shout and say, 36 million is too much. How much is he earning? Blah blah blah. It's something that he can walk to, you know, the Inland Revenue Service, and then they will sit down with him and break it down for him. Maybe he might not understand how he was able to incur that expense.
Absolutely.
So they will break it down for him and then tell him maybe you can pay in installment.
Oh, okay.
Now,
Well, I like that because that brings me to my next question, because he said the tax bill given to him is outrageous. But just like what Asukwo said, he said, how is the income tax calculated? And also, how is the Lagos State tax authorities, how did they arrive at the 36 million? Was the process transparent, you know, to explain to him?
Yeah. I think we have to look at the issue, you know, holistically.
Okay.
You know, first thing is that in Nigeria, the culture of paying tax, you know, is not a very strong culture. You remember that we had the riot in Abeokuta in those days, the Aba riot.
Okay.
Tax.
Okay.
People didn't want to pay tax on that
Right.
issue. And I think the former vice president said recently that, you know, people that pay tax in Nigeria, as at 2018, were about between 17 to 19 million people.
Wow.
Only.
Out of over 200
yes.
million.
And the people that pay self-imposed tax of less than 1 million, about around 43 people. So you can imagine that, you know, the tax culture here is not it's not anything to.
That's why the president talks about widening the tax.
Yes.